Red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. That is the direction of the hurricane as it travels, and it definitely makes a red sky. Very ominous. Prayers and good energy for all the people in its path. Here we are on day 2 of our journey to escape Hurricane Florence. So far, the weather has been nice. When we were out on the outside yesterday, the winds were about 5 to 6, and we had a motor almost the whole way. The waves are very flat, which is nice. It's not so bad. I thought it might be turbulent, but it was not in advance of the hurricane. So today is the next day. We're going to make it down to Charleston today, and then assess after Charleston whether we stay there or not. There are a lot of boats that are moving south, just like we are. Just in this one little cut that we have here, there are at least 5 boats that have all been traveling down the ICW. Now the ICW, that was a different adventure yesterday. Obviously there isn't a lot of dredging. Most ICWs have a minimum depth, and this one did not. The ICW from Waina Bay to where we are now, and I'll tell you later, there were several spots that it was shoaled up, and it was 5 and 6 feet. There were times that we were getting in the middle and hitting bottom, and then on the sides hitting bottom, and we finally ended up meeting some friends that on the sailboats who had fish finders, and they could give us the depth so we knew which side of the channel to get on, because it wasn't consistent all the way. So it has been an interesting travel down the ICW, and something that I really don't want to do again. No. So today we'll keep you posted on what's happening. The hurricane is imminent for just where we left from, which was Little River. That's really sad because we love that place. So we hope that everyone does well there in that whole coastal area.
So due to Hurricane Florence, we have evacuated Little River. We're headed south into Waina Bay and down the ICW towards Charleston. Not sure if we're going to stay in Charleston. We're going to analyze that as we look at the progress of Florence. We are in the South Santee River on the ICW, headed south to Charleston today. And we'll let you know what happens when we get there.
But I'll keep you posted. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and like. You know you want to.